Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 6th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I personally don't really see any reason to say that this move down is over. We got a couple little bullish candles, but it hasn't made it engulfing up. It definitely hasn't made a significant higher low. I still think there's a good chance that this trend is down and that we are likely going to see more legs to the downside. Going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying yesterday, I think this is the more significant break of structure right here because to me, this lower low right here looks more like a three-wave pullback, like it potentially is three waves up, three waves down, and now maybe one, two, three, four, five up. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on the move down. If we get a turn at a fib level and a golfing down, then I definitely would still be suggesting sorts. The higher time frame doesn't give us any reason to think that the trend is up. If it gets a break of structure to the upside, which is right here, that's when I would start looking for longs is after the break of structure and then after the pullback that would come after the break of structure. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.